A factory that considers you. Smart factory. The environment that requires the mass production of a variety of products with high quality. Management of increasing equipment. Increasing personnel expenses. The quality remains stationary. What about the delivery date? Everyone talks about smart world, but how long are we going to? Find the answer from the smart factory that considers you. What would it be, a smart factory? What if the factory becomes a competent employee? If we actualize this, it shall be a smart factory. This is a factory that agonizes the better operation and then judges by itself. The world put a lot of effort into making an intelligent factory. Intelligent factory judges by itself using ICT. The information generated from a factory is analyzed after collection of information through real-time monitoring. Increase the operating ratio by checking the production resource state. It helps to manage the best quality by providing the cause analysis of the quality problem and the data about the faculty production. If the system structure is inefficient, it builds a flexible system to fit efficiently. A smart factory that provides ideas about making a better environment, acting by itself, memorizing, organizing, and using the information. This environment improvement brings a lot of effects. Productivity is increased by 30% since it increases the efficiency of the factory. The defect rate is decreased by 43.5% as the problems are immediately processed in real time and the transpiring problems are dealt in advance. Production cost is reduced by 15.9% as it collects and applies information of state, the efficiency of equipment, price comparison of raw material in real time. The job satisfaction of employees is also increased by the improvement of the working environment. Management and work instruction gets easier by convenience considered UI. Many factories, including conglomerates, are already advancing through the smart factory. Would the smart factory be feasible for our factory? Regardless of field, it can be optimized to the factory by combining modules of platforms. Cosmo, Korea Smart Manufacturing Office, partially shares the burden of smart factory establishing cost and supports diagnosis and post-management. Heishio Lab, we dream of the better world, brought by manufacturing innovation. A technology that changes the world. Operato. What is happening in your warehouse? The world will be changed if the logistics changes. This is the time that your logistics needs an evolution. A technology that changes the world. Operato. Identifying received goods. Storing the goods in fresh condition. And a delicate and complex logistics that delivers the goods to stores or customers directly. The Operato is a smart logistics integrated package necessary in the advancing logistics environment. This is the technology that makes the warehouse run by itself. What if you can see what is happening in the warehouse at a glance? What if we can make an optimal moving line of which materials move in and out? What if we can send goods of the drugstore, which is problematic, to each store in an accurate order number? What if the refund is done and classified quickly, while the refund is done automatically? What if someone could guide you to make good use of the vacancy in the warehouse? What if we can maintain every sensitive facility and solve the problem immediately? The fact that every dream comes true through Operato. You can observe the logistics site using the Operato visualizer. Securing a perfectly fit moving line for work. It deals with the composition, management, tracking of logistics channels, which gets more complicated as time goes by. The Operato WCS allows the control of every classification necessary for logistics, sorter management, and picking module. The Operato ECS maximizes space occupancy by a robot and the automation of logistics. The expert at logistics software, Heishio Lab, consults, suggests, designs, and applies the things necessary for your logistics center. Logistics can be smarter. Experience it directly through Operato.